Hi, this is Tartan Art. I know what is going in your mind. What is Tartan Art? Let me tell you. Tartan Art is a crisscrossed pattern and which has horizontal and vertical lines which forms a beautiful checks pattern. This is Tartan Art. I am Saanvi Gandhi. Let me tell you an interesting story about Tartan Art. Once upon a time, Tartan Art was traveling to India with a few of her friends. Her friends were appreciated here and they got painted on the walls. Tartan Art wanted to be loved the same way, but she met one person called ignorance. India was rich of culture and she wanted to be a part of a culture just like her friends were. But you know what? She was trying her limit best and ignorance was trying to stop her. She tried and tried and she made a few human beings which loved her. And her human friends wanted to approach government authorities so she could be loved the same way by all people. And these good Indians who had made Tartan Art famous and her introduction was already done and was liked by young and bright kids of India. So there was no stopping and Tartan Art was being famous and ignorance was defeated. This is not a really true story. I just made this up to take you through the reality. And the reality is that this beautiful art needs to reach many people. So come on friends, let me help you. Let us help Tartan Art to get famous. Let me tell you some facts about Tartan Art. We all kids, the future of bright India, wear Tartan Art on their school dresses. Did you watch the movie Mary Kom or have been to Manipur? Most of the people there wear tartan dresses. This is the most interesting fact. Tartan Art originated from Scotland in the year 1538 and there is even a day to celebrate this art form, April 6th. These people make tartan art dresses for their sheeps too. You know how I know about this tartan art? One Saturday, I was sitting with my art teacher and she started describing about tartan art. I was filled with awe and wondered how come I never knew about this art form. So I thought of increasing awareness about this art. And then I joined a TED club and we brainstormed and we shared our ideas with our friends. And today I am here with a talk. I'll show you some pictures so you will get an idea where can tartan art be used. Here are t-shirts and pants that so men can wear. And we even have frocks for women and children too. We have boots and shoes, so we can wear new designs on our shoes. So cool! We even have crockeries of tartan art. So you will find something new of crockery rather than having the same designs. Art has no boundaries or nationalities. It should be loved equally by everyone. And today, through this talk, I would require your support and help. Thank you.